All right, here we go. Now we're converting radians into degrees. And I'm sure that if you took a few moments to look up at the notes above and from the previous box, the previous or a couple videos back, that you could figure this out kind of on your own. I'd really highly recommend that you try figuring it out before just having it kind of fed to you. So please check it out, pause the video, try it, see how you do, and then come back and check your work against what you see here in the video. So hopefully now you've done that. Hopefully you did in fact pause, and so let's go ahead and convert 1.35 radians into degrees and pi 3 radians. We got two problems here, but first we got 1.35 radians, and what are we going to multiply that to get to degrees? Well, we're going to multiply with the one that has degrees in the numerator first off. So 180 degrees over pi. Because remember, 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. And so really we're multiplying it by 1. We're just changing the look of it. And so we end up with, actually let me change this to blue just for some consistency here, 1.35 radians. All right, and so that's going to give us, let's see, 1.355 times 77, I'm going to cheat a little bit, 1.35 times 180 degrees, and that all over pi. Hit that all into your calculator, and you should get right around 77.35 degrees. All right, and you could leave it just as multiply out 1.35 and 180 over pi to have your exact number. So exactly, let's grab the calculator real fast. Let's see, 1.35 times 180 gives you 243. So this is exactly 200 and was it 43? Yep. 243 over pi degrees. That would be your exact number there. But it's right around 77.35 degrees. All right, there's part one. And again, please pause the video. Try the next one of pi over 3 radians. Try converting that to degrees on your own first. And so I hope you've paused now and coming on back to check your work. And so that we're going to multiply again by, we want the degrees in the numerator. We want degrees. And so 180 degrees over pi. And mentioned this earlier, but you could multiply it by 360 degrees over 2 pi, because again, we're just multiplying it by 1. We're just changing the look of it. And so this is going to give us, this is going to give us, well, pi divided by pi, those cancel out. And so pi divided by pi is 1, and then 180 divided by 3, that's 60, so 60 degrees. And there we go. All right, hope that helped.